Hi guys, this is Eran again from Apple Online Marketing, and today I'm going to teach you how to create your own beautiful 3D book cover for free, and in about 5 minutes, under 5 minutes. You don't have to be a Photoshop buff in order to do that. You don't have to have special skills. It's totally beginner friendly, so it's going to be easy, it's going to be fast, and it's going to be interesting. Let's go. Hey guys, so in order to create your own 3D book cover, you need to do two things. The first step is you need to create a flat image with your own text on it, with your own caption on it. And the second thing will be to paste it on some kind of a 3D book cover image with an editor of some kind. Usually people do that with Photoshop, but today I'm going to show you a free way with free tools. So the first step will be creating an image, and in order to do that, we go to canva.com. Some of you might know this site already. I use it for everything. I use it to make my own Facebook covers and ebook covers and everything. You can do just everything here for free. So here, after you log into this, I strongly recommend you create an account here. It's free, no credit card needed, nothing needed, just free account. You can just use it. So let's go and select the book cover. And in the book cover section, you could just select any of these designs that you like. It's free to use. You can do whatever you like with it. The ones that says free on it are free, and there's a couple of ones that has some price on them, or they say pro. You don't need to use them. I just use this site for free. Anything for free. So let's just select one of the book covers. Maybe this one looks nice. Okay, let's just change text so you know how to do that. See, I double click on the text, I highlight it, and maybe I make it bold. Now maybe let's change the color just for the sake of this test. Yellow, and add my name. By Eran. Okay, maybe you want to change the heading as well. How I became online shark. Okay, it's just a test. Okay, so let's say you're happy with this, so we wanna download this image, save it to our computer. You hit the download button, and the file type, as you see, by default is a PDF, but we don't want that. Change it to a PNG. This is a high quality PNG, so it's more than enough. Download. We'll download to our computer. One second. Actually, it takes a lot faster usually. Okay, it's downloaded. A moment, we'll just move it. Another folder. Okay. So once you do that, you have your cover image. Now we go to the software that allows us to paste it on a 3D book cover image. So let's go to another site. A site called Pixlr. pixlr.com. I'm going to leave all the links in my description, so you can go and create your own accounts. But actually, in this site, in this website, you don't even need an account. just click on Open Pixel Editor and you're in. So in this editor, please click on the Create New Image. Let's give it a name. My ebook, my 3D ebook. Okay. Hit enter. Okay. And now we want to add the image of the 3D book. So, File, Open Image. Let's select this image. I actually found this image on Google. There's tons of examples and templates for 3D ebook covers. Okay, so now we just need to add another image. Just go to File. We'll select the one that we just selected from, just created in Canva. Select it. Here. Now you need to do follow. Make it a bit bigger. Now you need to copy this image and put it on this. So you see there's two different windows. Yeah, one for this template and one for this image. So I highlight this image and I go to this marker tool and I just mark all the image like that, with size. Okay, once you do that, you go to Edit, Copy. Now you need to highlight the template window. So once you click that, you go to Edit and paste it on this book. But hey, now you see it doesn't really match. So when you're standing on this window, you go to Edit again and you select 3D Distort. Once you select this image becomes distortable. So you just take these corners, put them right the corners of the ebook. So you see it's very easy, anybody can do that. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we actually don't need this page, this picture, so we can delete it from this project. So you see, once you highlight this window, you will be asked, do you want to apply the changes that you did? And you should click yes, because it asks before we leaving this window, asks us if we want to save the changes. So yeah, we want to save the changes. And now on this window, you can just click close. And here we do not want to save the changes because this window we don't need anymore. And now we have this image. And now in order to save it, I just click File, Save. I give it a name, a new name. My perfect ebook cover. Click OK. Let's save it here. And that's it. Let's see how it looks now. It's beautiful or not. Click. Here you go. Okay guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button so I would know that you like it and I can make some more. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button because I'm gonna upload a lot of more valuable content here. And if you have any questions or comments, I'll appreciate if you comment on the comment section below. Having said all that, hope you like this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.